Small can, big fire. This is seriously like 20 pounds. Whoa. It's sturdy. I have it connected to my tank. It's on off. I'm going to turn it on. For propane on. And it's lit. So one of the other reviewers said it was better, and you can even see in the Ignik commercial on YouTube, they have the fire with lava rocks, and I think that's gonna make it better. So I bought these ceramic logs off of Amazon. Make it more flame-like and improve it. With the logs, I won't be able to put the hose in there, I don't think. But I'm just going to wrap it around the top. I'll disconnect this and wrap it around the top. So the true test will be using it. And so in the next couple of weeks when we go on a couple trips, we're going to try it out. It's definitely portable. We'll see if the heat is enough. So we're camping here in Moab, Utah. It's February. Our overnight temperature is 20 degrees. And I thought this would be the perfect place to try the Ignik Firecan propane stove. We have a big propane stove, one of those big ones, but I wanted something that would be easier to carry in the van. We've had this on now for like 30 minutes, and it's doing good. This has done a great job keeping us pretty warm around the fire at night. And I think a couple things that make that happen is there's these open grates that kick out a lot of heat, and its small size make it easier to actually get closer to the flame. This size lets you get close right to it, so it's super, super comfortable. Overall, I'm enjoying it, and I'm looking forward to using it in a kind of a little warmer, more seasonably warm temperatures to see how much it kicks out at that time, because these 30 degrees it does a pretty good job. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions on the can, let me know. I have a link below too if you want to buy it.